I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I stretch my arms.
I stretch my arms.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I wipe my face with a towel.
I wipe my face with a towel.
I wear my school uniform.
I wear my school uniform.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I look in the mirror.
I look in the mirror.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I check my lunchbox.
I check my lunchbox.
I go to the dining table.
I go to the dining table.
I sit on the chair.
I sit on the chair.
I drink a glass of milk.
I drink a glass of milk.
I eat bread with butter.
I eat bread with butter.
I eat a boiled egg.
I eat a boiled egg.
I finish my breakfast.
I finish my breakfast.
I say, thank you, Mom.
I say, thank you, Mom.
I clean my plate.
I clean my plate.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I get ready for school.
I get ready for school.
I wear my backpack.
I wear my backpack.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the school bus.
I wait for the school bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I sit on the bus seat.
I sit on the bus seat.
I wave to my friends.
I wave to my friends.
I reach the school gate.
I reach the school gate.
I walk to my classroom.
I walk to my classroom.
I greet my teacher.
I greet my teacher.
I sit at my desk.
I sit at my desk.
I open my notebook.
I open my notebook.
I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
I write in my book.
I write in my book.
I read from the board.
I read from the board.
I answer questions.
I answer questions.
I eat snacks during the break.
I eat snacks during the break.
I drink water from my bottle.
I drink water from my bottle.
I play games with my friends.
I play games with my friends.
I study math and English.
I study math and English.
I come back home.
I come back home.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I wash my hands and feet.
I wash my hands and feet.
I thank my mom for the food.
I thank my mom for the food.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water.
I take a short rest.
I take a short rest.
I read a storybook.
I read a storybook.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I start my homework.
I start my homework.
I go outside to play.
I go outside to play.
I ride my bicycle.
I ride my bicycle.
I run in the park.
I run in the park.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I enjoy the fresh air.
I enjoy the fresh air.
I watch birds in the sky.
I watch birds in the sky.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I sit with my family.
I sit with my family.
I sit at the dining table.
I sit at the dining table.
I eat rice and vegetables.
I eat rice and vegetables.
I laugh and share stories.
I laugh and share stories.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
I help my mom in the kitchen.
I watch TV with my family.
I watch TV with my family.